How to enable background audio on Brave browser. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up your Brave browser. And once you do that, click on the three dots at the bottom right, then click on settings. And here you need to scroll down to the general section, and from there navigate to the background play option. Now once you're there, click on the toggle next to it to turn it on. And once you do that, you will get this confirmation box that tells you that your changes will take effect the next time you relaunch Brave. So you can either relaunch now or relaunch later. I'm just going to click on later. And as you can see here, it tells you that this feature or option will allow audio to play when you switch to another tab in Brave or another app or your device screen is off. So once this feature is enabled, you will have the background play audio whenever your screen is off or you navigate it to another tab within the app, or if you just close the app like this, the audio will still be playing. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can turn on and activate the background play feature or option in Brave browser. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.